So good afternoon. This is the demonstration of ACL 5.2.2.4 packet tracer. So for the first step, we will add our name and our school email. There. So and then we read the objectives. So for the part 1, verify local connectivity and test access control list. So for the part 2, remove access control list and repeat test. So for the part 1, verify local connectivity and test access control list. For the step 1A, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC2. So for the command prompt of PC1, we ping PC2. We should know first what is the IP of PC2. So for the IP of PC2, it's 192.168.10.11. So as you can see, it is successfully pinging PC2. For the step 1B, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC3. So we should know the IP configuration of PC3. Ping 192.168.11.10. So there, as you can see, wait for it. It is successfully pinging the PC3. So next, for the step 2, ping devices on remote networks to test ACL functionality. From the command prompt of PC1, ping PC4. So we'll see if this will work. 192.168.30.12. So as you can see, that it is not successful and it says destination host unreachable. From the command prompt of PC1, ping the DNS server. So we see if this will work. 192.168.31.12. So it's, as you can see again, the destination host is unreachable. For the part 2, remove ACL and repeat test. For the step 1, use show commands to investigate the ACL configuration. Use the show run and show access lists command to view the currently configured ACLs. So to quickly view, we go to R1 and CLI. So for the router one, we type show access lists. And you can see here the ACL number, just like here. So the first line of the ACL prevents any packets originating in the 192.168.10.0 network, which includes Internet Control Message Protocol or ICMP. The second line of the ACL allows all other IP traffic from any source to traverse the router. So for an ACL to impact router operation, it must be applied to an interface in a specific direction. So although you can view the IP information with the show IP interface command, it may be more efficient in some situation to simply use the show run command. So we can use the show run command there. So in step 2, removing the access list 11 from the configuration. So in router 1 also, we go to config, global config, and just follow this interface SE0, and then we type no IP access group 11, and then in global configuration move, remove the ACL by entering the following command: no access list, exit, and then no access list 11. So verify that PC1 can now ping the DNS server and PC4. So now we're going to try if we can ping the PC4 in PC1. So again, the IP address is 192.168.30.12. Just like. So now we can now ping the PC4 with using the command prompt of PC1. And lastly, for the DNS server, we ping 192.168.31.12. So there, as you can see, it is successfully pinging the DNS server. So that's it for this packet tracer activity, and there you can save this work if you're done. Thank you.